What do we have here today? 992 Targa 4 GTS in this awesome green color. This car came from Japan. It's a Japanese import. 10,000 kilometers only on it. Still under Porsche warranty. It's as good as new. Very, very low kilometers. The interior is black. Oh, that red light looks really, really nice. Looks really nice. So this is the 991, no 992.1 still. It's without the hybrid. So if that's something you prefer, this car's perfect. 10,317 kilometers only. Targa 4 GTS. Gorgeous. The black looks awesome. Very nice. I love the way this is in the matte black, the dorsal. Lovely. Very nice. Very, very nice. This car has heated seats, ventilated seats. We know it has the nose lift. Everything's lovely. Car doesn't have Bose sound, but you know my opinion on Bose sound systems. In such a car, you don't want to listen to music, you want to listen to the car, which is a different kind of music. Anyway, that green with the black, very nice. Very stylish, very elegant. Color, is it too loud? Depends on your personality. Depends on your personality. Okay, the windows are a bit too black. I think without the black windows, probably look much better because it's a Targa. I think it would look much better without those window tints. Not much to say about this, apart from that is beautiful. I will show you the roof. It's kind of blue. So whoever spec'd this up, I think he had too much time on his hands. Right, so now we've closed the roof and you can see the blue now. I mean, I do like it. That blue and green looks very stylish. But that is the only thing that's blue on this car. Everything else is very much black. Let's have a look at the beauty in action. There you go. Nice. This is a modern day Targa. But it's still a Targa. And it's a lovely one. Let's walk around it one last time. Really, not much to say on this car. It's as new. I'll just show you the passenger side as well. There's all the Japanese writing. There we go. Happy days.